Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Speak English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It's great to be here with you today.
It's always great, David. You look so happy today. How are you?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a very productive morning.
Oh, really? What did you do?
Well, I went to the supermarket, took my dog for a walk, and went to the bank.
The bank? That's perfect.
Perfect. Going to the bank sounds a little boring.
Maybe a little boring, yes. But perfect because that's our topic today.
No way, really?
Yes, today we're talking all about the bank.
Wow, what a coincidence. The bank is really important for daily life.
It is. Everyone needs to go to the bank sometimes. But for English learners, talking about money in another language can feel scary.
Exactly. But don't worry, we're here to make it simple and fun.
Before we open the bank doors, we have one small favor to ask our listeners.
If you're enjoying Daily Speak English, please take 1 second to click the like button.
And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an episode.
Also, please share this video with your friends, family, and classmates. Let's all learn English together.
Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, David, I'm ready.
Let's go to the bank.
So why do we go to the bank?
To keep our money safe.
Right. The bank is a safe place for our money. We don't want to keep cash under the bed.
No, definitely not. The bank is much better. So, what's the first thing we need at the bank?
An account.
An account? What's that?
It's like your personal money box at the bank, where your money lives. There are two main types of accounts.
2 types. What are they?
The first one is a checking account. This is for daily spending.
So when I buy coffee or groceries, I use my checking account.
Exactly. It's for money you use every day. The second type is a savings account.
Ah, we talked about saving before. A savings account is for the future, right?
Yes, for things like a new phone, a vacation, or emergencies.
Got it. Checking is for today, savings is for tomorrow.
Perfect, David. You're a fast learner.
So I want to open an account. What do I do?
You go to the bank and say, "Hello, I'd like to open an account, please."
I'd like to open an account, please. That's easy. What do they ask for?
They'll need your ID, like your passport or driver's license, and your address.
That's simple. I know where I live.
Good! Then they'll give you a form. You write your name, address, and phone number, and then sign your name.
Ah, my signature. That makes it official.
Exactly. Once you sign, congratulations. You have a bank account.
Woohoo! I'm rich.
Now, when you put money into your account, it's called a deposit.
Deposit. Okay. I can say, I'd like to make a deposit, please.
Perfect.
And if I want to take money out,
That's called a withdrawal.
withdrawal. That's a long word.
You can also say, "I'd like to take out some cash, please."
Ah, much easier. Who do I talk to at the bank?
That person behind the counter is called a teller.
A teller. Got it. But what if the bank is closed?
No problem. You can use the ATM. It stands for Automated Teller Machine.
Ah, the robot bank.
Exactly. You need your bank card and your PIN, your secret number.
Right. Never tell anyone your PIN.
Good. So at the ATM, you insert your card, enter your PIN, choose your amount, and voila, cash.
Like magic. But don't forget your card.
Never forget it. Always take it out after you finish.
What if I lose my card?
Call the bank right away and say, "I lost my card." They'll cancel it so no one else can use it.
That's a relief. Safety first. I'm going on vacation to Europe. They use euros there.
That's right. You can exchange money at the bank. Say, "I'd like to exchange some money, please."
So I give them dollars and they give me euros. Easy. Do you use online banking, David?
Yes, I use the app on my phone all the time. It's so convenient.
It really is. You can check your balance, pay bills, and transfer money, all from home.
It saves a lot of time and paper. I love technology.
Okay, let's do a quick review for our listeners.
Good idea. The place we keep our money,
The bank.
our personal money box,
An account.
put money in,
A deposit.
take money out,
A withdrawal.
the robot that gives us cash,
The ATM.
our secret number.
The PIN.
Excellent! You get an A+.
Thank you, Teacher Sarah.
Before we finish, do you prefer using cash or your card?
I think I prefer my card. It's easier to carry.
Same here, but I still like to have a little cash for small things like a bus ticket or coffee.
Good idea. Always smart to have both. Well, it looks like the bank is closing for today.
We hope this episode helps you feel confident going to the bank in English.
Don't be afraid to practice. You can do it.
And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Daily Speak English.
And tell us in the comments, do you prefer cash or card? Thanks for listening, everyone.
Have a wonderful day and happy banking.
Bye for now.
Bye.